Okay, here's a short video. I'm pretty sure I have a short somewhere on my bike here. I have the meter set. If I ground out, put the positive to the battery, I'm getting 12 volts. If I touch the body of the bike, nothing. If I turn on the ignition and touch the body of the bike, I'm getting voltage. Actually, I can hear the turn signal trying to go. So something must be shorting out. Here I have power. Anywhere else, I have power here, power here. Turn the ignition off, and the only one I have power on, I think. Actually, there's no power anywhere. So, to me, that definitely shows that I have a short in the harness touching the body somewhere. I'd like to know your thoughts. Thank you.